Are you tired of searching for the Google Meet option in every calendar event? In 2 minutes, you'll know exactly where to click to enable it every time. We'll create a new event, add a title, then enable Google Meet with one click. Let's jump in. Start by clicking Create in the top left corner to make a new event. Then select Event from the dropdown. That opens the Event Creation panel. Now enter a descriptive title for your event so attendees know what it's about. Under the event details, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to enable it. Click Save to add Google Meet. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.